Well, good evening, everyone. Most of what I'm going to show tonight, and a lot of you have already seen, but I was talking to my mother on the phone today, and she made the comment that she hasn't seen anything about my garden or what me and Candace have going on since the seedling stage. So I wanted to make a video and show her that we have some onions coming up here. Onion tops are starting to show. Russet potatoes that may or may not make it. Mystery potato going on. And some okra. I know my mother loves her some okra. But let's walk over here. We've got the fig tree that actually has a figlet growing on it. Now, the wind is probably going to be a problem tonight, maybe with my audio and maybe with the video itself. But this is the first figlet we've ever had on the tree we affectionately call Figgy. And I'm going to walk over and take my mother through a tour of the produce prison. This is the cage I was talking about. It's actually a chicken run. It's 10 foot wide, 20 feet long. And I'm using protein tubs inside of it right now, mostly protein tubs. I've got some grow bags. I've got some 5-gallon buckets. There's my beautiful bride. Inside of the produce prison, got some basil growing, marigolds. Got some marigold starts back here. Patty pan squash, which I'd be willing to bet a wooden nickel or a dollar bill that my mother's never had patty pan squash. This makes, Mom, I'll bring you some. Got some more marigolds going on because I'm going to use that tub here shortly for something else. Tomatoes going on here. More basil and oregano because Candace makes some awesome pesto. Lettuce experiment. I'm going to be pulling all of that up tomorrow night. And we're going to be eating all of that tomorrow night. Cucumbers going on right here. The cucumbers, there's going to be a trellis going from right there up to the top. It's going to come back down to the bottom over here where the other cucumber is going to come up. And we'll grow those. Jalapeno peppers going on. Right here is a dill plant. It's trying to survive. I don't think it's gonna make it. Collard greens. Sorry, Mom. These collards probably aren't gonna produce, and they're not gonna be what Newman Miller used to make for us. I'm sure you remember him and the collard greens. These are Yukon Gold potatoes. They're getting big and tall. I hope that the big and tall up top is saying they're making a lot of tubers down below. Zucchini right here. Trying this one as an experiment to grow it kind of vertically. No zucchini's going yet. Next zucchini without anything to make it grow vertically. Again, nothing going on there, but it hasn't flowered yet, so I'll give it time. Yellow squash growing vertically. Ooh. Not only do we have yellow squash starting, we got a bug in there I need to take care of after I finish this video. And then we've got yellow squash over here. That is not growing vertically. We're just gonna let it go the way it wants to. I'm just gonna move some leaves. Can you see? Yeah, we got a good fruit going on there. And last but not least, something I know my mother's gonna love. Blackeyed peas right here. Purple hull peas right there. Those will go right down the middle, right here. And there's somebody peeking over the top. That's one of those varmints I have to deal with out here at the ranch.
Hi, Mom.
Hope everybody's doing well. Talk to you soon. Y'all take care.